This is one heck of a first winter at the farm. We are absolutely snowed in. However, the girls have made an amazing sledding hill. If you look, I'm 6'4" and it's up to my knees. It's unbelievable. It's great though. Have a fun thing coming up. February 22nd and 23rd. I'm going to be doing, spending a nice couple days ice fishing with my old man. Really looking forward to that. And, come around the corner. That one is that. Hi, honey. Are you having fun? Yeah. Anyway, so gonna do Lake Winnebago, Wisconsin ice fishing. This little tournament called Battle on Bago, but it should be pretty cool. Really looking forward to it. Ended up making friends really quick with a fantastic guy named Grizz. He owns Grizzly Tackle. I'll be working with him quite a bit, and you know, it's going to be really good. We're going to use a lot of his tackle, a lot of good stuff, and yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but I'm cold and I think my brain is freezing. So, talk to you soon.